So let's, for the fun, continue the rumor mill. And that is about Jason Anderson, who obviously isn't racing right now due to his health issues, family issues. We're not going to touch that part. But the rumor is obviously that Chase Sexton has signed or is going to sign a letter of intent to go to Kawasaki this year. Now, or next year, sorry. Now, obviously, with Jorge Prado signed to them, that leaves Jason Anderson kind of on the outside seat. And the rumor is that he may be going to, drumroll please, ClubMX, ClubMX Yamaha. Now, for him, who knows? I mean, he is, again, on, like most of these guys, Tomac, Roxon, Anderson, they're all kind of in the latter stages of their career. Uh, so who knows? I mean, for him, obviously, he won the one title when he was with Husky. Correct me if I'm wrong with that. I think it was with them. Um, and since then, who knows? It hasn't really looked like a title contender since. I mean, not to say he's bad or slow or anything, but at 32 years old, as I just looked this up, he is 32. He really hasn't looked like the person who's going to repeat. He's not on that Kawasaki taking first, taking podiums. You can kind of say not really even looking super competitive. I mean, this year is how many people injured, at the point. And as of right now, he's eighth in the championship. Uh, it's not horrible. I mean, considering the people who are in front of him, but it's just one of those things. On a factory team, you think a former champion should be, right up there. I mean, Cooper Webb's in his 30s too, like, or 29, I think. Uh, I don't know. To me, it's kind of one of those things that for him might be a good last 2-year contract, year contract, whatever it is, Supercross only, who knows? But it's just kind of the fun rumor mill. I mean, obviously, we know nothing until we see contracts being signed and things being announced. But with how many moves are going to go on this year, or at least this offseason, I think it's kind of fun to talk about. I mean, obviously, it's going to be the thing going for a while because we still have outdoors and then the playoffs, and probably won't see a lot of people sign until after that. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Would it be a good move for him? Good move for the team? You think it's even going to happen? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.